Decided to get out early because it's gonna be a warm day today. Yep. Watch that rock, whatever it is. Welcome to Ted's Moto Adventure. It is June, I think it's 23rd. Yeah, 23rd of 2024. It's supposed to be 92 degrees today at 7:30 a.m. So I'm out early trying to beat the heat. Yeah, I'm actually full leathers. I mean, it's always good when you're moving, but when you're stopped at a light when it's hot, you start sweating bullets. So not bad right now. It's early, like probably around 70-ish maybe. What's 7:33 right now? 7:30, just rounding. Usually it's a good time to go out when hardly anybody's out on a Sunday. Probably heading to get gas at my favorite gas station because it's the cheapest. $4.79 for this one. I think it's around what, $4.30 at the other one. Too bad you're moving. Yeah, it's a time when people don't dress smart when they're riding. You see a lot of shorts and t-shirts, flip-flops, with just a helmet, no gloves, because they're trying to stay cool or look cool or something. And they get in all this leather, it's going to get pretty hot when you're at a stoplight. Not bad when you're moving though. You gotta keep moving. You gotta keep the air flowing. Obviously you gotta stop the lights too, because otherwise you can't just run the red lights just to keep the airflow going. Yeah, I'm looking for something that's more of a white perforated suit so I can ride when it's a little warmer. Well, winter I'll do black and non-perforated. Take the least aggressive one. Yeah, it's $4.89 there. Actually, that's $4.99 if you pay credit. Who pays with cash anymore? Of course, they're trying to push this cashless society where everything you buy is tracked, everything you earn is tracked, even the freaking money you make at a garage sale. It is getting pretty warm right now. Go fill up. Oh, he's a full race suit with a 400. Well, no matter what bike you're on, the asphalt's the same no matter what. You think the asphalt's gonna be nicer? No. Because you're on a 400? No. You're moving at a good rate too. I mean, you're moving at a good rate of speed. It's like, yeah, you go down, it's gonna hurt like hell if you don't have the right protection on. And proper gear on. Yeah, you don't need to wear a leather suit, but hey. Been down before with this leather suit on. It's like, saved my ass. Yeah. I won't save you from a collision though. Maybe an airbag vest would. I think I may ride down that way where the accident was and talk about it a little bit. Maybe I should do that right now. It's a dangerous intersection too, so oh no, hopefully I didn't lose my mic. So I'm heading down to that intersection where that accident happened that claimed the 17-year-old's life. A junior in high school. Oh, turn the damn blinker off. Yep. The intersection they're talking about. Yeah, it's a Dorado High School. Yeah, it's always. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, this is a high school right there. See if we see any flowers in this intersection area. I don't see anything. There's this intersection somewhere that student died. Or that was it back there. There's all the flowers right there. Maybe it was right here. Yeah, it's all right there. See all the flowers? And it was not a motorcycle, it was in a car. Yeah, be careful of this. This must be a dangerous intersection right here. That's the intersection where he died at. That's the box of death, man. They call it the box of death. for both cars and motorcycles, cages and motorcycles. It's a dangerous, one of the most dangerous, if not the most dangerous places on the road for a motorcyclist. We'll be passing it. Yeah, an accident happened just recently here. Yeah, all the flowers right there. Yeah, you be careful with these intersections, man. I call it the box of death. That's where most of the accident deaths happen, in riding. What the heck is that, a rock? It's a plastic bag. Trash. What's it right now? Oh my God. Got oil. God, all this water, man. Well, it's $4.19 here. Pretty good price. Yeah, it's hot right now, man. I prefer winter here, man. Up, okay.
I want to thank you for watching. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe so you see future videos. While you're waiting for the next video to upload, you can watch the videos at the end of this video. Anyways, thank you very much and have a great day.